Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the RedTiger dash cam, and on the right, the SUVCON dash cam.
Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's start with the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality.
The RedTiger dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability. That means you'll be capturing every detail on the road in Ultra HD. It's like having your own personal movie studio right in your car. Now, the SUVCON dash cam may not have 4K, but don't underestimate it. With its triple dash cam setup, you get a 170-degree front camera, a 150-degree cabin camera, and a waterproof rear camera. It's like having a 360-degree surveillance system protecting your car.
So if you're a resolution junkie, the RedTiger dash cam is your go-to. But if you want complete coverage and peace of mind, the SUVCON dash cam is the way to go.
Picture this. You're driving late at night and suddenly a UFO lands in front of you.
Okay, maybe not a UFO, but you get the idea.
That's when you need a dash cam with superior night vision. The RedTiger dash cam comes equipped with an ultra-large aperture, excellent optical lens, and HDR/WDR technology. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. You'll be able to capture those important details even in the darkest of nights. On the other hand, the SUVCON dash cam features 4 infrared LED lights and superior WDR technology. It's like having a spotlight on the road.
No more blurry or grainy footage when things go bump in the night. So whether you're chasing UFOs or just driving at night, both dash cams have got you covered. It all comes down to your personal preference.
Now let's talk about the smart features that these dash cams bring to the table. The RedTiger dash cam takes connectivity to a whole new level with its Wi-Fi and smart app control. Just connect it to your smartphone and voila!
You can view, playback, and manage your dash cam recordings with ease. It's like having a personal assistant for your car. But wait, the SUVCON dash cam has something up its sleeve too. It comes with built-in G sensor and parking monitor capabilities.
That means if someone so much as sneezes near your parked car, the dash cam will start recording and capture the culprit.
It's like having a car detective watching over your precious ride.
So whether you're a tech-savvy guru or just want that extra peace of mind, both dash cams have features that will make your driving experience smarter and safer. Based on online reviews, the RedTiger dash cam is highly praised for its cutting-edge technology, user-friendly quality, user-friendly interface, and advanced features like intelligent parking mode. Customers highly recommend RedTiger's dash cams for their reliability, performance, and excellent customer service.
On the other hand, the SUVCON dash cam is highly recommended for its high-resolution lens, wide-angle view, user-friendly interface, loop recording, ample storage, and durability.
It offers exceptional performance for safer and stress-free driving. Both dash cams have received positive feedback from customers. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the RedTiger dash cam and the SUVCON dash cam in 3 epic categories.
Now it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget.
Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons.
And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.